Say what? Bruce, I was done early yesterday. Yeah. Shit. Elijah, I'm gonna turn the lights on. Everybody, it's a good morning to you. It's a good morning to you. All right. Here is the easiest way to see this. Watch this. Ready? Okay. What does it tell you to do? Type it in. What does it tell you to do? Bruce, I was done in 28 minutes, I think it was. Something like that. Or 58 minutes or something like that. Yesterday. Heavy rings on fingers wave. Sit on hands. Yeah, what we want to do, right? Because here's what's going to happen. Okay, let's just talk about old losing Rev, right? The guy that tries to play this whole thing, right? The old me. What's going to happen is I'm going to try to guess which time it's going to break, right? Let me show you. Even though this is the 15-minute chart, this is just the easiest way to see it. I'm gonna take this long. Okay, the old losing Rev. I'm gonna take this short. Okay, I'm gonna take this long, right? Because I'm a dum dum. I'm gonna take this short. Now, I'm speaking in old Rev terms. I'm not derogatorily speaking about myself now. I'm speaking about in the past. Okay, and so what we can clearly see is this. What we can clearly see is this. Does it? Do the market makers crush? Here's another thing. When you have the volume profile like this, okay, where do they agree on price? Ah, 58.25. Look, it's the VPOC. 58.25. That's a terrible picture. That's not going to work. Um, it's this goldenrod line here, 58.25. So it's just oscillating around the price that they all agree upon. So losing Rev says this is the next big move. 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 This is the next big move.
Pink bar,
right?
1 minute chart.
So what we want to do is we want to wait. And listen, this may take a couple hours for them to resolve it. Okay, what if they what if they draw it, everybody gets short, okay, and then it goes back to all-time highs. We are literally 50 points off all-time highs, something like that, right? 78.20. Yeah, we're 70 points off all-time highs, which was yesterday. So, and that's where it caught me. What I want to do now is I want to go over, and I'll tell you right now, this helps me as much or more than it helps you. Okay. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go over Dum Dum. We're gonna let all you guys. Bruce, here you go. Bruce. Oh, Bruce, this is embarrassing. Bruce. Fuck. It still shows him. Okay, good. Let's just enamor. What the fuck? Oh my god. Okay. If your chart looks like this, you know what happened. I'll say this: uno más. I think tiempo. Okay. If your chart looks like this, you got smoked. Guilty. Okay. I did exactly the same brain fart. Okay. And yes, I did it in my PA. Yes, the PA got smoked like a pack of cigarettes. Yes, it did. Yes, it did. Okay. Yes, it did. Okay. I was trying to be right at all time highs. Let me take these off and show you. Okay. I started buying 15 and 3/4. Now watch this. I bought all the way down here like a dum dum. It got to one tick from my target. Where did it kill me? Okay, it killed me. It killed me right here. I'm sorry. Let me zoom in for a second. I got smoked before I even thought I got smoked. Okay. Bought here, exited here, bought here, exited here, bought here, exited one time on two buys, right? Let me pull this up so you guys can see it even better. Okay, bought here, sold one, bought here, sold one. Okay, so now I have two extra. Wah, wah, wah. Okay, smoked. Buy here. And then it closed me out. Oh, no, it did close me out right here. Look at this. At the exact bottom. Look at this. Fucked. Look. Okay. Now, what this means is I was over leveraged trading like a dumb shit. Okay. This killed the accounts. If you're wondering why that's like that, it just got down to too much drawdown. Now, however, did I learn my lesson? I would love to tell you yes. What I need to do is just take the first stop out. Okay. And what Elijah and I were talking about just a few minutes ago was that okay, there's three things, and I'm going to go one step further. I know you guys have heard this before, but I'm going to go one step further. There's three things that stop a trader from being successful. Okay, the lack of data or information. I have all the data. I have all the information. I probably have the most useful charts on the internet. Okay, number two, it's the lack of patience. Number three is the need to be right. Okay, now what I was trying to decide is when I do that dumb doo doo. Okay, is it? And this is the borderline. What? Listen to this, and maybe this will help you. Maybe I'm just getting a case of the fuckets. My brain shuts off. My coping mechanism kicks in, and the efforts get announced. Right now, I don't announce the efforts. You guys remember the fuck it long? You got to be an old schooler to remember that. Because Tyson even said, what did Tyson say? Where's Tyson? Where's Tyson? Tyson, oh, he's probably not awake yet. Tyson said, this looks like the fucking. Okay, right here, he said it. I said, nah, this looks like it's going to go back up. Well, it did after the fucking. Okay, so now what it did, okay, I'm going to show you the fucking, right? It's called an M pattern, but M paint, right? Okay, so here's the M. And look how, now watch this. Notice we paint towards it, and then paint straight through it. That's called the fucking. Now it stopped me out before I even got to it, right? I started to enter too heavy. I tried to enter one there, and that was dumb, right? I don't even know what the fuck I was thinking, right? And so when you see this, okay, this is called the fucking. Now I hate this because Elijah's gonna have to go back and censor that like 4 times when I said it to keep the VOD from getting smacked. But I mean, folks, there's nothing else I can call this to myself, right? I'm the only one pushing the button. Okay. Yes, I did get some payouts. Trade day has the get paid on the first day. You can make up to $3,000 on the first day. Trade day, use code SageFT at the checkout. However, I want to show you and listening, listen. The reason we call it the fucking is that is where I have lost every account possible. Okay, I've never been stopped out. Try another trade that didn't work. Stopped out. Death by 1,000 cuts. For me personally, for old losing rev, that is showing the screen, isn't it? Sorry about that, guys. I didn't mean to have my screen in the way. Good, 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 good. Okay. And so if you look right here, and let me explain why we call it the effing, okay? Exactly what you see on the chart of the incorrect behavior. I'm pointing at the chart. The incorrect behavior that was shown yesterday is why it's called the effing. Okay. I know that I was not supposed to take any trades right here, and I did anyway. Okay. I hope that helps. It really helps me to review it. Um, I did take this short. Here, it was perfect on the 1 minute and the 2 minute. Wait a minute. 2 minute. Excuse me, 1 minute and 10 range. 55. Yeah, is that where it was? Yeah, right here. So I'm small. I'm small green. Today my goal is to avoid the fucking or getting torched by the evening. All right, we are deep narrow range, so there's nothing I can do down here. Right. What we want to do is we want to when we're narrow range, okay, we want to take the trades in between the Keltners, right? We don't want to just say, "Oh, okay, I'm going to short the Keltner." Yeah, that doesn't work. Doesn't work like you think it does. Okay, but if you take the next signal after the reversal, okay, which would be like this one, that's a buy. I take that back. Something like this, um, something like this, something like this makes a little more sense. You can also go down into the 10 range, which means you only have to have 3 points of profit target. You can see that I entered on the 10 range here, and just going for first target. I did have an ad order. It did not get filled at 58.75, so then I got my target at 52.75. Plausibly, Joey. Joey's asking if this is the sweep. Maybe. So this is a hurry up and wait. Volume is lethargic. I always forget about Hank in Breaking Bad. That was a good character. There's a little volume starting to kick off on this up bar here. We got 12 and a half minutes till the opening bezels now. This was valid or legit. This was legit. Okay. Red, green, red, white, green paint. Red, white, green paint. The volume profile is a Charlie Foxtrot. They have agreed that the price that they love is $58.25. $58.25. Love it or leave it. The underdog's on top. Now, remember me saying yesterday, the day before, that the hardest thing to trade is when you have to keep resizing your charts? What is the profit target on a 250,000 account, everyone? $15K. Holy shit, that's way more than I thought it was. Thank you. NQ has almost the same amount of volume as the ES. The NQ is down almost 1%. Desk yawns.
Blue bar, 1 minute chart.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
No, Phil.
Order canceled.
I'm gonna step away for a couple minutes. We got the opening bell. We got the opening bell in 8 minutes, folks. I'll be back in just a couple minutes. I did try to bid 250. 4 was the target. No, Phil. I'll be right back.
saying. I got it from here, guy. Wink. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Why won't you listen to me?
Right. It's just avoiding the FOMO, guys. Um, yeah, let's just chill. Oh, hold on. Let me look at it again. I didn't mean to close it. Sorry, Elijah. Guys, I'm not going to trade here for a minute because we're trying to figure something out. Um, did I not hit reset watermark? There we go, Elijah. I forgot to hit reset high watermark. There, now it's right. No, it's actually backwards. So if we look at Elijah, if you look right here, you see how that 647 is 1385 minus 647 so equals, or plus 647 equals roughly 2000. So, and then the 25,001 doesn't have the right drawdown.
Blue bar, 1 minute chart.
Weird. Yeah, but if you look, it just says 2,500. And I actually just tried to fix it. Weird. Yeah, it doesn't let us change it. Yeah, no problem. We'll just chill. It does show correctly on the control center. Why is the control center not coming up? Hello, Ninja. Uh, oh yeah, yeah, yeah. No worries. Ninja is completely down. Uh, um, uh, hmm, I can't even pull up control center. I can't even reset the fucking thing. Oh no, no, no. Absolutely not going to trade anything. Just when I right click on a chart, it doesn't do anything. I can't reset anything. I can't minimize anything. I can't move anything. What in the fuck, man? We're on the sidelines, fam.
Pink bar, 10 range chart.
Luckily, I just saved it, Elijah. Bear with me as I restart this here. Yeah, if you guys can still hear me, I'm just restarting the computer. Bear with me. That was a legit buy at 51.75 on your 10 Ranger. Calculating, computing, computing, diddly computing, computing, ga. Heavy rings on fingers wave, ash to ash, dust to dust, fade to black. How many of you guys like the S&M live with Metallica where they have they got the symphony in the background? Oh, 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 oh. Okay. Elijah, is that red square in the right place?
Yellow
Are we
bar,
are we
1
okay
minute
with that?
chart.
Oh, 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 oh. I see nada.
Blue bar, 10 range chart.
Look at how they went right back to that crime scene. Back to the scene of the crime. Look at that. Mm, 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 mm. This is not the first paint of this green. This is the first paint of this green. It may still win, but look at the noise that you have to get through. Sweet baby Jesus. Look at the noise on the 5. No. Delta's falling. Look at that. The leg sweep was perfect. Wow. Tyson, we were just talking about the fucking. Wow, your yellow on the 1 minute works perfect. So did they just sweep? Upper Keltner? Unused crime scene right there on the 15-minute 66 50 66 65-25.
Blue bar, 5-minute chart.
All right, we have a special guest. Everybody look at the screen. I'm going to put him on. Here he is.
Oh, I get what you're saying. I got
That's right. Mr. FOMO Man.
No, 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 no.
Coming at you live and direct. Live and direct. Live and direct. We did sweep yesterday as a little snow. Was it enough, folks? Was it enough? If it is, it's going to pop hard. I am 1 for 1. So 65-25 is on the 10 range and the 15 minutes grafica. Yes, Jones. 0 day. Yes.
Pink bar, 10 range chart.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order canceled. Order canceled.
Well, 2 left. Leg sweep complete. Leg sweep complete. God help me. My breath is I wish for death. We're trying to get through this 58.25. Come on, find a seller. Here it comes. Come on. Come on, Daddy. Top down. Free trade. Major decision right there at 60. Major decision at 60 to 58.75 on your tape. 58.50, excuse me. 58.50 was your prior VPOC. Okay, and
Blue bar,
58
10
was your
range
prior
chart.
VPOC. Here you go. Here you go. Here you go, boys. Come on, 55s. Come on, 55s.
Order submitted.
Leg sweep at 61.
Or- Order submitted. Order canceled.
Okay, add out. Add out, add out, add out, add out. Elijah, notice it still says outside session news blackout. Okay, 55 is the final, boys.
Pink bar, 2-minute chart. Blue bar, 10 range chart.
Order submitted.
I tucked you in, warm within, keep you free from sin. Till the Sandman he comes. 60, 59, 58, 75.
Order canceled.
One tick from my stop. Okay, they bought the 58s. Sell it. There we go. Straight through the 58, 75. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Heavy thoughts tonight, and the on of Snow White. Dreams of war, dreams of light, dreams of dragons, fire. Except for when the fucking is happening to you. That's what I meant by what I was saying. See, now they're struggling to get a buyer over that 58.60. Look at your 60 right here. It's like a huge snap point. Decision, decision, decision.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order canceled.
Got to get through 58, 75, and 60. If you look, it's just playing the noise. What? Wait, what? What? Wait, what? Wait, what? Wait. Oh, okay. I'm in a trade and my fucking ninja's fucking frozen. Elijah, something that we just did. I think it's this fucking indicator. There we go. Welcome back. Now dip. Look at it. Look at it stuck at 60. Come on, get through 58.75. Let's go. Why does it look like they're about to run it in one direction? 60 to 58.50. 60 to 58 is your VPOX.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted. Order canceled.
You have a big bid at 62.25. Used to. Anyway, it's gone now.
Pink bar, 10 range chart.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order canceled.
Upper Keltner is around the 73, 74. Looks bullish, but we're at the top of the prior range.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted. Order canceled.
Okay, we're at prior resistance. Do they get right through it after the sweep or not? Or do they sweep this side? So it's either a sweep or a run. You can see it on the 5-minute here. I don't know which one it is,
Order
right?
canceled.
I have no idea which one it is. I'm waiting for clarity. All right, now you're 64, 64, 25s are over under. You have 64, 60, and 58. If they bounce off of this 64, it's going to pop. Hooray. Okay, NQ gap fill. Okay, now we're train tracking along here. Railroad tracks. So do they draw or run? I have it all drawn out, right? Do they draw or run? Delta is not showing all of the buyers stepping in, right? It's showing there's a bunch of bid. Okay. Trailing stop down. $64 is your over under there. Look at it holding. Okay, and on the bottom it's 60 and 58 to 58.50. Okay, and then on the top side, it's just the 15-minute fair value gap. Okay. 77 to 77s to 81s. Okay. Back in noise. Back in noise. Yeah, did you try to buy the 65, 75s?
Pink bar, 1 minute chart.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order canceled.
Okay, watching 71s. I'm cautious on all of this. In anything I'd ever do. $65.50 over under now. Okay, notice there's a huge divergence between price angle and delta angle, right? So up here, they're just hitting the bid. So what is that telling us? Is someone accumulating on the bid, or are they distributing to the bid? We're inside the chop. 65.50, still the over under. $58.25 is still your VPOC for right now. If they get any more volume at 64.75, they'll take it over. Okay, I did short the here, I'll just show you. I did short above here once. Oh, excuse me, right below it once. I did short right here once. I did take very quick profits. Just full disclosure, very quick profits. Okay, 55 finale. Actually, I'm gonna go final 40. 55 and then 40. Okay. Okay, or it's just gonna rip right off of the VPOC. 58.25. And then 64.75 is the next node. 62.25. Okay, and 64.50. Remember the tape on down here is 60, 58, 75, and 58. Okay, so do they hold it at 58 or do we push right through into the lower? That would be VAL 53s.
Target
Okay,
filled.
55 out. One left. $61.25 stop. Last one.
Pink bar, 1-minute chart.
Blue bar, 2-minute chart.
Okay, 53 is your VAL. Hawk is 825. VAH is 6525. Okay, my stop is 6125, right above that 2-minute bar. Because you have a sell bar at the bottom now. Is bottom safe to say? Well, not really. Got to get through this spread. See how strong these spreads are? Simple math, guys. My stop goes to 57.75. Come on, one more flush. It doesn't matter what happens. This will be a great trade for me. I could have traded it way better in terms of the original entry, but
Stop
set
filled.
out completely flat.
Pink bar, 10 range chart.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted.
Okay, we got to get through this 225 crime scene. There we go. Let's go.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted. Order canceled.
Sold the crime scene for 4 ticks. Pothole at 56.75. They're gonna have to fill that thing first. It's got to break 52s if the sellers are going to take control. So dance, fucker, dance.
Order canceled.
Come on, go. Didn't get filled at 61. I've got 51 and 46.50.
Yellow bar, 10 range chart.
1,000 lies in a good guy's guys. Hit him right between the eyes. Hit him right between the eyes. I'm running for their lives. Okay, stop down on the last two to 55.75. Come on, 51 before 55s.
Blue
Come
bar,
on.
10 range chart.
51 before 55s. Let's go. You never had the chance. So dance, fucker, dance. Come on. There's 1,000 lies in a good disguise. Hit 'em right between the eyes. Come on, 51. I'm 55.75. I'm
Pink
not moving my
bar,
stop.
2-minute chart.
Ooh, 53 sell? Interesting. Give us some lags. Okay, 45.75 yesterday's low. You got a big bid at 53.25. Let's see if they take it all. Let's see if they take it all. Gone. They sold it. Come on.
Target filled.
Bang. One left. 46.50. And if you have anything after 46.50, you'll want to do like 41. Come on. Get through the 50. Go. Shawshank Redemption. Chicago. Chicago. He says, you're out of here. Go on. Get out. Here we go. Get through the 50. Row, maggots, row. Row, maggots. Come on. Stop to 55.
Order canceled.
Let's review. Let's review. Let's review. Okay. Okay, where do I start? Start on the largest time frame. Go work your way back. Look at what I just have drawn on the screen. Okay. Look at the delta. Okay. And the most drawdown I had was $284. Okay. The most drawdown I had was 380. It's like 382.50 or something like that. Something like that with commissions or whatever. Okay, and we hit Lower Keltner, and we hit yesterday's low. I'm flat at 46.50. There you go. Full disclosure. Ah, shit. That's not what I meant to do. Whoops. It's not what I meant to do. Nailed the bottom, guys. Let's go. Oh. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Now, look at what I did. Look at this. This is just a 2-minute chart. Nothing special. Okay. If we go back and we look at 15, let's start with the 15. Okay. Look at the noise. Look at the noise. Look at how we don't get outside the range. We were waiting for the move before we get engaged with it. Okay. Yes, I entered a little bit incorrectly at 57. However, no, 57 the second time. I take that back. We're just playing this range and we're out. Did I get in early twice? Yes, I did. Yes, I did, but I had my stop in the right place. Okay, watching 5675.
Blue bar.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order canceled.
Okay, watching the volume note of the prior bar, which is 5550.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted.
Well,
Order filled. Order submitted. Order canceled. Order canceled.
big battle at 50. 300 bid at 950. They bought them all. You have 294 at 4650. Watching the 52s, if I can get it.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order canceled.
Watch 50. Okay, we're at lower Keltner. We're at yesterday's low. What do they do with it here? Let's see. This will be interesting. 2-minute has a sell. If you look right here, We're at Lower Keltner, so I don't really know about selling anything here.
Order submitted.
Okay, big volume note at 49.50. 49.50 is going to be the over under here. Big offer at 50. Big offer at 50. 300 at 50. Lower Keltner's 44.75. If you're short on the 2 minute, what's the target there? 45.75, right at yesterday's low. Delta's declining. Okay, we're at the bottom of noise on the 10 range. Interesting. Interesting level here. 300 still at 50. So do they tap 50 and sell? Or do they not even get to 50? Let's see. We're going to find out. Let's see what happens at 50 here. This could be a thank you transaction, right? 49.50 was the prior tape read. Okay, here's your 50s. How many print? How many print? Let's see. 5 at 9.75. So do they take the whole thing? He's got a shitload at 9.50 too. So he's iceberging 9.50. He's got all you can eat from 49 to 50. Let's see if they run through it or not, right? If they run through it, shorts better be careful. Shorts better be careful. If remember, I'm using the word if. Delta is at a lower low. So they're distributing, but they're doing it at the bottom. So does that mean they're pushing or is someone accumulating the distribution? You can see it right here. So what we're looking for is divergence or convergence in the delta slash price. Remember, there's a seller above 49. Either he stays there or not. Okay, here's 50. There's no large offer there anymore, so now they're taking it. 75 times at 50. They're toying with 49s. Toying with them. It does with one thing. I don't know why. It doesn't even matter how hard you try. Keep that in mind. I designed this rhyme. Oh, I know. Time is a valuable thing. Watch it. I don't Now, just to be clear, I'm trading a larger eval, and so I'm a little bit heavier on each trade. It's not like I see something better, right? To trade more contracts. 50 is the over under. 50 and 52, 52.25. You wouldn't even recognize me anymore. Not that you knew me back then. Okay, 275s. It all fell apart. What it meant to me
Order
will
canceled.
eventually be a memory of a time I tried so hard. Okay, I tried to buy 45. I tried to buy 45. It said, suck it.
Order canceled.
Okay, here it goes.
Order
Here
canceled.
it goes. To put my trust in you, pushed as far as I can go. For all this, there's only one thing you should know. And it's 77.46.25 because Joey spreads are alive. You guys, if your dog starts howling, you'll know why. These spreads are mathematically delicious. It
Blue
doesn't
bar,
even
10 range chart.
matter. Oops, pushed the wrong button. $58.50 and $59.75.
Order submitted.
Pink bar, 1 minute chart.
Come on, film me. Cancel ads. Stops up. Okay, 50.25 stop. Until we pop higher. One tick ricked me. One tick ricked me. Don't you fucking do it. Kill ads.
Order canceled.
One tick rick.
Target filled.
Okay, stops up. Stops up. Stops up. 59.75 final. 59.75 final.
Target filled.
Up and down. Up and down. Up and down. We look. We talked about this. Let me be very, very clear. Over in Discord, Joey said this was the draw. Okay, so draw, very tight draw, folks. You have to trust what you have on the charts. Okay, if 46.25 is the lower spread, okay, it's dead if it bam smacks right through it, right? If it doesn't, as you notice, I took 55.50. Now, let's get the notes out of the way. I probably should have avoided this one. Let me tell you why. See how it goes red, white, paint? Okay, see how this one goes red, white, green, paint? Think of the momentum on that oscillator. See, I think we have, Elijah, watch this. I think we have a glitch, right? So if I go to indicators, okay, and I go to Eller's oscillator, oh, it's already messed up. See how it doesn't show the oscillator? Has perpetuated. Close your eyes, look deep in yourself, step outside yourself, and let. Okay, they're gonna pump this, guys. Oh, you can kind of see it. Weird. Hey, your 1 minute pink worked great. Once we broke through the crime scene. All right, that's gonna do it for me, guys. I am fucking exhausted after those two trades. I am closing after commissions just under 2 racks. Close your eyes, look deep in yourself, step outside yourself, and let your mind go. Frozen eyes shed deep in your mind as you die. Hey, as I change this stream over to X, I want you to remember. Holy shit, I almost lost what I just said. Zoom out and just look at how it goes sideways, right? That's all I was doing. I like, I may have gotten in the first trade a little early, but I am trading a $250,000 account. So I want to get in, right, without being too offsides. And if you just look at this noise, they drew. Drew. Did you get drawn on? Did you sell the bottom? Did you buy the top? So it gives you the roadmap. The roadmap. Aye. Okay, we're going to move this on over to X. Here is the link. Dot. Once I find it, here it goes. Okay, charts will be streaming live. You won't hear any. You won't hear any commentary. You will hear the audible paint bar indicator, and that's going to do it for Rev Daddy. Peace.